So, hi Sam! Finally, legal ka na. So, happy 18th birthday. Today marks a new chapter in your life. Adulthood na. So, panibagong journey ito na puno ng responsibilities. Pero, mas exciting din dahil mas marami ka nang pwedeng ma-explore and ma-achieve. So, bilang guidance associate mo, sobra akong proud sa growth mo, hindi lang sa academics, kundi pati na rin sa maturity mo. So, nakikita ko yung sipag, talino, at kabutihan ng puso mo. Alam kong malayo ang mararating mo. So, enjoy this once-in-a-lifetime celebration. May your debut be filled with joy, love, and unforgettable memories with your family and friends. So, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sam! I wish you a blessed birthday. Enjoy your day, Nak. And I wish and I pray that you will achieve your goal in life. Always remember, Miss Norlin is always here. God bless you, Nak. Love you.
Hi Sam, happy 18th birthday. So, ang wish ko lang, of course, good health. Kasi alam ko na ikaw yung tipo ng estudyante at tipo ng tao na talagang ipupush through yung mga bagay na gusto niya. Kaya nga, nakita ko kung gaano mo kagaling talaga hinahandle yung mga bagay-bagay. Meron kang academics, you're also a leader, and as well as meron ka pang BMC. I mean, napakagaling mo kung paano mo pinagsasabay or kung paano mo minimake sure na lahat ng yon ay bigyan mo ng atensyon at wala ka ma-left out. Magaling ka pa rin academically kahit na puyat ka, kahit na pagod ka with all of those things. So, I hope na ipagpatuloy mo yan yung fire na meron ka para gawin lahat ng bagay na yan. Pero wag mo rin kalimutan na magpahinga at unahin ang health mo at ang iyong sarili. So, ingat ka at patuloy na galingan mo palalo, lalo na pag nag-college na kayo. God bless!
Hi Ate Sam! Happy 18th birthday anniversary! Ang wish ko sa iyo ay tatlo. Una, please continue to stay intelligent, kind, and courteous. Second, stay healthy and continue to love our family members and of course the cute fur babies. And finally, I hope all your wishes will come true if it is for your own good. Take care always. Lots of love.